Hi, good morning, everyone. Just joining all. Had some internet issues in the morning. I think my good connection in office is still not working, so I've gone to the parallel one.
How is that?
So people are joining. That's fine. Okay, so let's see. Last week, what was our view and what happened? I know many of the trades did triggered, but not taken much by us. But let's see what it was like last week. And I think last week we had this very much sure that Bank Nifty will hit a new high. So that was what we had already seen. And let's see. So this was the view we had last week, and looking at Bank Nifty and various bank stocks, right? We were very much sure that Bank Nifty will hit a new high, which it did on Thursday, and it was an excellent way. I think we all traded, uh, even top bottom before the entry would have missed. We entered into it. We got around 800, 900 points in that, and I think that was one of the good trade that we had last week. And remaining of them, I think we did saw this been touched. So 17,750 been touched, and now we might see some retracement, or if the high of tomorrow, yesterday, that is Friday's high crossed, we'll see 18,000 as well. Okay, same thing is on Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty might start, a one-sided rally again. So we need to see, where we get another entry as per top bottom. Okay, my view yesterday was that if we close below, then 37,800 becomes our buy with some buffer, but somewhere it closed in positive, and it was a very happy birthday for Mr. Narendra Modi, right? So Bank Nifty did that. Salute to him. Nifty, we now have a new uh, opening. I think I'll add some buffer, and we'll still, if it is to go high, we will enter into Nifty top bottom at least. Okay. IT was good. We saw TCS doing fantastic. It touched the target we had in mind. So this was touched, right? So we saw this going beyond that as well. Bank didn't give us much entry this, right? Nestle short trade did trigger, and it didn't give us this target, but it gave us some. It would have given us some money if the trade would have taken. Asian Paint, it is a mystery because it still looks good around 16, and we might see another buy on it now. Okay. Ultratech didn't trigger, it did went above 8,000, and ACC again it did both. Okay, it triggered and it went down and it again came up. So it was mixed on the stocks, but indices did fantastic for us, right? So now let's see what we have for this week. So let me just change this to 20th of September. Okay, and let's see where Nifty is. So let's start this week. Before I forget, 25th of September, we do have the Simply Built House training. So if you feel anybody in your friends' family, I know many of you have already attended and are already seeing the results of it. And I think many of you posted last week on the group as well. So really thankful to you to, at least come out and share your results with everyone, because I see it helps in one way. There are many students who have done Simply Build House training, but they're still not confident about doing top bottom. Okay, so this type of result sharing does help them to start with top bottom. See, it is one of the fantastic strategies we have seen year on year basis, and your inputs can help someone else at least start the journey. Okay, so that is what it is good. It's not, it's okay, that we don't get any new students, but at least the existing students also, if they start, understanding the power of it and delivering it, I think it's the best thing we as a society can do to them, right? Because there are many people who are hesitant, who start their journey, shut down in between, and then they don't see the results. Then again, looking at someone else's result, they start. But the main key, I think everyone knows about it, and everyone, I think, have shared is the patience. And I know I would thank to Vishesh because I think he's there, right? Vishesh, you were there. I saw you joining.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
see, you post Mitesh, and we all saw his result on, I think, Thursday. He posted with 100% within 7 months. So I'm
Right.
really thankful. See, is this something which, like it is community living types. You made profits in top bottom, you shared that on Facebook, looking at that, and his family, right? His father would never allow anyone to trade in market. And
Right.
now,
This is very good actually, and he's so confident now. Initially he was hesitant, but now he's
exactly.
so confident.
Exactly. So that is what we should happen. That we are already related to him, even though we were not able to convince him. But your results, your mentoring to him, that whatever you would have discussed with him, it pulled
Right.
him to at least start this. So that's why
Correct.
thankful to you and for sharing. So keep sharing also if whatever good has happened to you. Right, I'm actually
Sure.
waiting for my data to get downloaded because I had internet issues. It's just getting over. Right, so we'll start. So let's see. I think Bank Nifty has a spinning top on daily with a huge volume, and so is Nifty. So now that means spinning top, huge volume at all-time high would result in somewhere some retracement. And if the high is crossed, you're looking for a momentum trade on the upside. Okay, so we'll have to see where we move now. I'm just waiting for, let me see where my charts have gone. Okay, it's just downloading options data. Okay, so let me start because I think futures is done, so we can start with futures at least. Okay, so let me to that screen. By the way, this is one of the stock I was looking into it. Okay, and there is one more which I thought of yesterday. So just starting with a few equity stocks. What was Sadhana? So these both are looking good, by the way. Sadhana Infra is looking really good because see, it has got bullish divergence set up on monthly. Okay, so your buy would be about 19.86 or buy about 20. Your target is 41. So it is like doubling your money. Okay, it's a perfect bullish divergence. Okay, even this black and this black has bullish divergence. Okay, so there is a bullish divergence here and it can take it till the upper band. So lower band to upper band is normally the journey, but here it is the above center band to the upper band first and then maybe this. So these are two, and there is one more stock on the same line, Sadbhav Engineering, and that too has the same thing. If you look at it, 5 bar bullish divergence even here. So this is looking good above 58. I think is the buy, and it might take you to almost 95. So these two stocks are I'm tracking actually now, and we might see some entries in the stocks. Okay, let's go back to Nifty. Okay, so Nifty closes at a new all-time high. No bearishness yet in monthly chart. Okay, see it is still doing strong and it is still okay. Okay, so it is 79 is the RSI. You can expect it to go to 82, 83 levels. That is fine. I think maximum RSI on this is 85. Okay, so indices can go up till that limit. Here also it is 80.70. So still some still left. I think it can mature to 18. Okay, let's see weekly. Now weekly also no bearishness and band walk started. So it still looks decent to me and there is nothing to worry on Nifty. And here it shows shooting star with huge volume. So this is one concern. Okay, first concern is the candle here. Second concern is the volume here. Okay, so this now makes a bit worrisome factor, but again, the market does not show you any bearishness. It is 85.34, 86. But since it is 86, it has to retrace a bit. Okay, and let's see how much can you expect as a retracement. So it is good that we will get some entry again in the top bottom soon, because from here if you look at it, okay, this is your first level, so it might come till 450. Okay, so it might come to 450 and maybe it might come back till to 17,250. So these are the levels where you can expect Nifty to drill down. But if the high crosses, if now the high crosses, we will have much more higher high than 18,000. Okay. So depending on from where I'm expecting it at 38%. Okay, then you see 18,036 as the new target. Okay, maybe then 18,200. So these are the next two targets for us. And we might see some, looking at the shooting star in the low is touched or broken, we might see some retracement on Nifty. I'm expecting it to come to 450 or 250. Okay, so that is where let's see what happens then to the Nifty. Right, so let's have this thing on the paper. Okay, so now this is 603. Okay, daily. Shooting star with huge volumes. It's um, okay, weekly band walk with no inbuilt bearishness. Okay, monthly bullish candle above previous doji's high with no inbuilt bearishness, and it is a diamond index now. All-time high, all time frames above 60. Okay, so now this is still, there because we are around 600, but still I will just change it because we made a new high at 17,750. These are now the support levels and these are the resistance levels. Okay, 750 is where we touched the high. I think that is 7558. So 750 remains, because that is the high of shooting star, by the way. Okay, so high of shooting star has to be respected. And if that is broken, I think we have upper band is what? 17,875 around. Okay. So this is where we might then touch. We are still higher than that. No, we can already band walk. And see, basically, band walk can be 3 candles. Okay, it has to follow the Fibonacci series. So 1, 2, 3, 5. So अभी 3 हो गया है. So now even weekly might come below the band, have some retracement, and then start the journey again, because 5 कैंडल मतलब और 2 कैंडल बैंड ऑफ, तो ये तो फिर 18,000 में उसके भी बियॉन्ड चला जाएगा. Okay, and right now looking at the RSI on monthly and weekly, I am expecting some retracement, but not change in trend. Okay, so be very careful. Currently, we are not seeing any change in trend actually. Okay, let's go to Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty. Okay, so now if you go to ये क्या है? Bank of Baroda कहाँ से आ गया? See, this is what I am worried about. Look at the volume yesterday and look at the candle. Okay, it's not a doji, it's a perfect spinning top because it has got body in the center and equal wicks on both the sides. Okay, so equal wicks on both the side is called as the spinning top. Okay, so we have a spinning top with huge volume, and I know if anybody has done P1 or simply advanced technicals with us, it's a diamond category trade because spinning top with volume is diamond category. If the low breaks, you short. If the high breaks, you buy. Right. So that is how you normally trade a spinning top.
Beta.
Okay. Now, if you look at this, I want to show you something more beautiful. Okay, where we are closed. Okay, so this is also spinning top as CIP. Okay, so there can be a CIP, there can be the end of this run as well. Okay, well, both is possible. Okay, the only part was it also had a breakout last week, and that is the reason why we went till this. So now if the breakout continues, let's see where we can reach as per the breakout as well. But this candle looks little bit dangerous to me, and moreover dangerous because of the volume. Okay, this volume really looks dirty to me. Okay, second thing, let's see now. Now there's one chat. Okay, let me see that also. So this and this shows you around 39,300. Okay, so that is what you can now see on this. This is also cup breakout. Okay, so if you find this as a cup, then also there is one more way to get a new target. Okay, because the first depth, this first depth is your first target. Okay, so this is the depth. So this is only if there is a breakout on the cup. Okay, see both is matching around 39,300. Okay, so 39,300 can be expected. Hopefully you get an entry into top bottom before it does that. Otherwise, we'll have to manipulate an entry. Okay, so top bottom manipulation can be expected this week. Okay, if we don't get a top. Okay. Let's see it on the other time frames. Here there is no inbuilt bearishness and the story has just begun. If you look very closely to the weekly chart, there is no bearish divergence. It's a first 60 support and band walk just started. So eventually if the new high or if the current high is crossed, which is 38,200, and if you recollect, I think Thursday only I said 38,200 is expected. We saw that on Friday, but the reason I would like to share, I know because many of you follow me on top bottom. I had said 37,800 पे close कर दो Thursday को it hit after 320. Okay, So my view was that we will surely to go about 37,770. Okay, because अगर इतनी दूर तक आया है तो नया हाई तो मारेगा ही. Okay, and then my view was that we might retrace because see, one thing you have to be very careful. My 37,770 was hit here, which is a shooting star. And if I get a shooting star retested, there is going to be a more massive fall. But what the market did apart of that is it made a good candle here, but it made a shooting star or a spinning top on daily time frame, which is suggesting that we will have a retracement and not a fall. Okay, so this makes me smile because now even if it comes to 37 100, we will get a good buy because then again we will see some entry as per the logic here. We will have some support in mid of it. There is 37 300 as a support, and if it comes down till then there can be a new buying that will start again. Okay, so this looks good to me now because shooting star does not have a shooting star in parallel to it. Okay, that's why I said पहले एक बार बंद कर दो, पैसा आ रहा है ले लो, छूट जाएगा चलेगा और ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. But let's have something at all time high because all time high will be respected once. And now monthly again has started, and we all know my view. Last week also I had shared my view is it will go beyond this. Okay, slowly and steadily it will go beyond this, and we will see that. Okay, so it will come and touch this, and now see this has been crossed. So it's this month where we close will depend on will tell us what we will be doing in October. Okay, so if this is crossed with a big white candle, there is a good breakout. And see this also 60 support, 60 support, and it's doing good for the Bank Nifty. Okay, so I know many of you in the mid of I think 2 to 3 months back when the markets were falling had said that now everything is gone, rallies ended. And one thing I was always saying was I will not go bearish until my monthly does not go below 60. And since the breakout, we have not seen this go below 60. Okay, and that is where we are hitting new highs. Okay, so that view is still intact, and I might see this still growing. So I'm not surprised if the markets keep soaring higher and higher. Okay, so 37,850 is where we are. So let's write down now for Bank Nifty. Suddenly golden से ये भी diamond biscuit हो चुका है. Okay, so daily spinning top. And this was the reason why I said it was a doji at 60 support. And if you had seen all the banking stocks, they were doing really good. Already weekly the CIP breakout has started band walk. Okay, so it's the first candle on band walk. Monthly shows bullish candle at 60 support. Still remain the same, and this becomes now diamond. See, tension कब होता है ना, सब diamond diamond हो रहा है ना, अरे भाई तो स्कूल में जाओ वापस. Okay. Now let's see the resistance. So 37,540. Now you'll know why we had said it's a silver for Gita and all those मैं दंगल पहुंच गया था थर्सडे को, because I was looking for the 37,770 and 37,540 was the last level it has to cross before 770, because that was the high of one of the candle on those days before it hit that high of 37,770, I think in February, March. February, not March. 37,6,900. So these are the levels where we have support, and this is the resistance. Okay. See, this is that 540 level. Okay. ये कैंडल का हाई है, ये देखो, ये जो व्हाइट कैंडल है ना, वो व्हाइट कैंडल का हाई is around 540. So that's why 540, and see exactly that is almost the low around yesterday. Okay, so we had this CIP also done. इसके लिए I am much more bullish still that whatever has happened, there can be some retracement, good for us to take an entry into top bottom, and then it will continue. Okay. So let's see what it does. Now let's move to the other indices. IT has retraced, so there is another scope for it to now rush. Let's see what it has done. See CIP on daily. See this. It's a CIP on daily. There is also correction on 69 I get daily RSI. Good boy. Okay, so इन लोग को भी पता है कि ट्रेन को स्लो कैसे करते हैं. See, there is no inbuilt bearishness here. ये देखो, ये क्या है, 83.76. This is 84. So still no bearishness. Nothing. Okay, so IT is also looking okay only so far. And ये भी देखो, no bearishness. मस्त रॉकेट. ऐसा सब चल रहा है ना मार्केट में. People have never thought of, and they are making good money, but people are staying out because everyone is waiting for a fall. ये हमटी टमटी थोड़ी है, गिरते रहेगा. Okay, so this is still at CIP and it looks very strong to me. 35,646. I think PRD confirmation था और PRD का target भी दे दिया था इसने. So it was good that we had that. I think the only thing is TCS, we didn't took the trade what it went. I think Amar sir took the trade, if I'm not wrong, because he was asking me, he asked on the group that it has gone beyond target. What should be done? Right, Amar sir? You had traded, right, if I'm not wrong? Is there or not there? Amar Jaiswal aaya. He's there now. डेली क्या बोलेंगे इसको, रिट्रेस्ड.
I took both the trades. Yesterday I took short trade.
हाँ.
Yesterday I took short trade when I asked you. It suddenly fell down.
You asked, that's why for the PRD level also.
Yes. And then I bought at 3825.
Oh,
Then
okay.
again sold at 3839.
Okay. So you were doing
bought, again sold. So I'm now net minus, net negative.
So you are holding a short position still?
Yes.
Okay. Should be okay. We'll see TCS. Candle. गोल्डन है क्या ये? हाँ, ये ऑल टाइम हाई से नीचे गिरा ना. अच्छा, ये रेजिस्टेड अपर बैंड. this is band of fortune. But then this is a diamond because it crossed the it's a, okay. So monthly it is still diamond.
पर सर टीसीएस में अभी भी पीआरडी है, डर है
हाँ है
जोश ऊपर जाने का डर है। हाँ
नहीं वो सर पीआरडी बना के ऊपर जा रहा है, बट देयर इज आई थिंक कल किसी ने और ने भी डाला था, आई थिंक राजेश संतूर ने डाला था, इट आल्सो हैज बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस. So yes, see, even IT has got a bearish divergence here, but bearish divergence ka there is one thing which everyone knows about is it should be outside inside. This is inside outside. तो इसके लिए इसको bearish divergence को फेल करने का चांसेस ज्यादा है. ये इनसाइड है और ये आउटसाइड है. So इसके लिए ये थोड़ा मेरे को डाइसियर लग रहा है, and I am thinking this is a CIP rather than a retracement more on the downside. And this is what, let's see. It's a 38% retracement also, exactly at 38%. Okay, so let's see what IT does on Monday. Okay. So 646, yeah, the monthly band of pain.
Means on Monday I have to be very careful and immediately exit if there is a up move.
Now I will tell you what trailing stop loss you should keep. Don't worry. We'll do that right away when we see the stocks. Because I know I missed it. I then betted more on Asian Paint and I had 3 lots of it. I missed, very good trade of this because I was fearing there was a bearish divergence setup on our entry. Actually, that's why, I was worrying not to take. But then I saw it just went one-sided and it went more than 100 points.
कल का ट्रेड में मोर देन 25,000 टीसीएस से आया, बिकॉज एकदम टॉप पर बेचा, बॉटम पर लिया और फिर एक ट्रेड मारा. इट वाज वेरी गुड.
Then it was good because I think top pe pura market had given up because everyone was waiting for a new high and it came down. So IT we wrote. Now let's see infra and reality first. Infra pehle aega, reality aa gaya. So reality is also showing some retracement here. We are see this is what, see shooting star. So this is now getting into some bad things. So this is bad, okay, because we are now seeing shooting stars across all the reality sectors on there. So we'll have some retracement now on this, and there is also, see, actual bearish divergence. See, this is outside and this is inside. Okay, IT mein ulta hai. See, this is perfect bearish divergence. Okay, so now shooting star also shows that it will have some movement on the downside. So let's see. I think if you are holding reality sector in equity, it is fine. But I would not suggest that to trade DLF right now on long side on futures. And here also, still the month is to be over, so we are okay. There is no bearishness here. It's a good cup breakout. It took CIP also. So long term is positive, but let's wait for what it does in the coming week. Okay, so Nifty reality shows some retracement probably. Let's see infra. Infra has got bearish divergence, bearish engulfing is there. There is support here and there is a big white candle there. So half of that can act as support. Some fall expected and we already saw cement stocks falling. This is fine, no bearishness yet on this. And almost I think target दे दिया इसे, if I'm not wrong. Target के बाद थोड़ा तो retrace होना चाहिए. See, this was a beautiful setup here. टारगेट थोड़ा रह गया है, 200 पॉइंट से रह गया, ठीक है. बट अगर इसको मैं थोड़ा नीचे ले दूं तो 200 पॉइंट हो जाता है. हाँ, हो जाता है एक्चुअली. दिस इज द ब्रेकआउट एरिया. थोड़ा बहुत तो हो जाता है. So I think it should have some retracement now. This looks good, okay. No bearishness is here, at least on the monthly chart on infra as well. Okay, so then let's move to FMCG. FMCG band walk on monthly. छोड़ दो इसको तो. जाते ही जा रहा है, जाते ही जा रहा है. Okay, and some resistance here now. It's a hammer at upper band, and now upper band पे shooting star भी है. So see, how do you treat this is, let me do this for you. Okay. See, this and this can be combined. So when you combine this, it becomes similar to a spinning top with good volumes, because now if the low breaks you go short, high breaks you buy. Okay, so it is now you combine this. Okay, ये combined करोगे तो आपको कैसे दिखेगा, ये ऐसा आ जाएगा ये. It will appear something like this. Like this. Okay, दोनों तरफ विग्स रहेगा और बीच में छोटा बॉडी है. Okay, so this is now what this actually means. So it's nothing but like a doji or a spinning top. High cross you buy, low breaks you short, because this is now on weekly. The low breaks, it also breaks band walk. So now there is a chance of some retracement even in FMCG as per weekly. And it shows a dark cloud cover already on daily. Okay, and that dark cloud cover is after bearish divergence. So there is 85.18, 83, and there is this. So let's see now. This is also at CIP. If it bounces, it bounces. Otherwise, it will fall. Okay, so this now there can be some correction till the hammer low, which is 39,900. So we might have some 200 means 39,900 or 4800. So around 900 points fall can be expected in FMCG. So 4800. Daily 6 पर bearish divergence था और वो अभी confirm हुआ है. So you can say now that is got some setup followed by क्या है वो dark cloud cover. 6 बार नहीं है, कितना है 1 6 7 8 9 10 10 बार. Doji above band. Now we can say combined as spinning top.
पूरा ही खोदता है और खोद रहा है, पूरा पिलर में खोद रहा है. इतनी बड़ी चोट भी लाता है क्या? और पीछे आ गए.
Monthly band walk है. Okay, and monthly के हिसाब से diamond ही है. Okay, so it is still a diamond, but be cautious now, क्योंकि ये सब diamond रहेगा तो कब तक चलेगा, ये तो diamond था. All are at all-time high, everything above 60 so far. Now Nifty Auto ये एक ही बेचा रहा है अपनी जिंदगी में. Okay, so now time for it to see what it is. I think पहले Pharma आएगा फिर वो आएगा. Okay, so Pharma perfect AM setup and resist at 60. Okay, see it's like now resisting at 60 and also at price resistance. Exactly price resistance. Doji here and that doji low. Raising it here also. And see this. Resisting 60. So Pharma now is going to be little bit of rolling. There is some resistance on Pharma. Okay, weekly it's a doji followed by a bearish counter attack. So still at the high around 55. Monthly still is about the good level of this. So जब तक 14,000 के ऊपर है, it is okay. Okay, once it falls below it, we might see some fast retracement. And here also, I think I'm expecting it to stay above this level at least 14,200, and this is what 14,000 hammer high. Okay, so let's see. But ये थोड़ा डराने का साइड है. Okay, it is retracing, and this is the first bearish range shift. Okay, after remaining above 60 for so much time, went down and now resisting 60. So whether it crosses 60 or falls down will depend on how strong this range shift is. Okay, so this is a very key point. We now need to understand this and see what it does. So pharma does not look that good to me. So we do have one sector which is bleeding. Okay. उधर का उधर ही है ये 355 का 350 ज़्यादा तो बड़ा है. Okay, so daily resisted 60. So daily big red at 60 resistance. We resisted 60 and resisted may be resisting. Still it is at the same level. Okay, and monthly around CIP levels. So okay, so monthly is still okay, but daily and weekly are not giving us any indicator. So stand. Auto, we papa. Auto also having a spinning top. Ka hai babua, ka kare tho. So now we are at a very critical point even in this. Okay, we had a breakout over a trend line. We had a support on that trend line, and now it is saying I am done. See this. Okay, breakout with the doji, then support CIP on that. It moved up. Now it is saying bhai saab, I am at a gap resistance. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, there is a gap here. See, small gap here, gap down, and this gap is going to be acting as resistance. So 10,550 is acting as resistance because it starts at this level only. 500 से चालू हो रहा है वो. Okay, so 500 से 550 के बीच में there is a resistance. Okay, and I think here also, अरे कैसे छूट गया ये देखो exactly one more gap resistance. So gaps are in place and they are now resisting outer sector as well. Okay, so might be a retracement to 60, taking first bullish range shift, and then the auto will zoom. So Monday, Tuesday, short trades can be expected is what I'm expecting the market, and Nifty to come to that level of 17,250 or 17,450. Okay. So yes, expect some retracement on Monday. और यहाँ पे भी gap up है, so this is the support level. Okay. क्या बोलता है? Oh, weekly. See, after 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 weeks resisting 20 MA, now the auto sector crosses 20 MA. So we will have this as a support line. So 240 acts as a support for it. Okay, so auto maybe we might see some buyings now, and 60 support. See this. See, take this as a U-turn. See the RSI. मस्त वापस आ रहा है. तो ये सेक्टर भी गिव अप करने से मान नहीं रहा है. और ये सेक्टर जब चालू होगा ना, मैं बोलता हूँ गाड़ियां जब दौड़ती है ना, चार्ली की 10-10 की दौड़ होने वाली है ये देखो, खाली ये लाइन खाली फटने लगी से, ये मंथ में या तो अक्टूबर में फटना ही है, फिर हमारा बजाज बताएगा सबको, सुन कर भी जाएगा। वेट फॉर दिस फॉर ब्रेकआउट, सी ईच एंड एवरी।
बिना गाड़ी के,
हाँ
एमआरएफ के बिना कैसे गाड़ी चलाओगे?
अरे सब वही सब गाड़ियां चलेगी ना यार, क्यों टेंशन लेते, हम तो सब गाड़ी चलाएंगे, और अभी तो क्या है ना, इलेक्ट्रिक इलेक्ट्रिक है। हाँ, वो
टायर
ग्लोबल
फिर भी
मार्केट है।
लगेगा सर,
हाँ वो,
टायर फिर भी लगेगा।
हाँ तो टायर भी आ गया ना इसमें, एमआरएफ आ गया, अपोलो टायर्स आ गया, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ ऑटो। टायर भी तो दौड़ेंगे, टायर ही तो दौड़ाएंगे और ये भागेगा, इसके तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैंने टारगेट जब भी 1,10,000 का एमआरएफ का दिया है ना, वो मिल जाएगा आपको बाय ईयर एंड। बाय ईयर एंड यू शुड सी एमआरएफ देयर। So this is, see, it's a morning star at 60 support है, अगर किसी को भी नॉलेज है तो देख लो, it's a morning star at 60 support। ये सेक्टर भी अक्टूबर से पकड़ेगा, दिवाली की सेल्स आएंगे ना यार, क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो, फंडामेंटल्स के लिए मैं तो देखता नहीं हूँ, मेरे को समझता भी नहीं है। Okay, so looking at this, yes, there is some bearishness. One thing I would like to request every one of you is, if you are following technicals, please ignore all these things which I am going to show you now. Phone not connected, हो गया कैसे भाई, phone थोड़ी connected रहता है। सुबह सुबह एक बंदे ने मेरे को थोड़ा भेजा, okay, I just want to show you that. Because then we will move to, I think, the stocks. And I literally ignore such things, by the way. ये सब चीज मत लेके आओ, और ये सब चीज से लोगों को डराओ मत। See what he is saying, China's second largest real estate developer just defaulted, debt crossed 600 billion, Lehman was liquidated for it, also owned by many international banks, ripple effect soon to come। अरे ये क्या टाइम पास है, ये न्यूज है, तुमको कौन सा बेरिशनेस दिखा? लीमन जब ये गिरा था ना 2008 में, चार्ट्स वर स्पीकिंग। ये सब क्या बैंक्स पागल है? अगर ये लोग ऑलरेडी इसमें रहते थे तो दे वुड हैव नॉट बीन बाइंग। Okay, so then the markets would have been showing you everything. So this is something which, I would say, avoid such news and please don't spread rumors. Okay, बंदे को इसके तुरंत मैंने बोला again news, because one thing which I will show you, we are done with thing, एक मिनट में खाली ये लिख लेता हूँ, फिर मैं आपको चार्ट्स पे 2-3 चीज फ्यूचर्स पे दिखा दूंगा, और तो looking strong up 50 around daily spinning top. Okay. At price support resisted 16. Yeah, we now cross 16. 60. 60 price support and gap resistance. Do know. 60 resisted 9. Cross 20. ये बहुत टाइम से था। 20 and monthly is 2G. At 60. Okay. This is what we have for Nifty auto. Okay, now let me go back to the golden time futures. Before we start the stocks and before we do anything else, okay, this was last year. Okay, very clear bearish divergence, perfect M setup, and then the fall. This was the first target, and this was target 2, and then the momentum took it further down. Okay, so this was expected already. Okay, and now let me show you Lehman Brothers. Look at this. 3-bar bearish divergence. Look at it very clearly. 85, 84. Okay, this was the first target. Eventually, target 2 achieved. Okay, तो अगर ये कुछ दिखता नहीं है तो फालतू में मत फैलाओ कुछ भी. ओके, देयर इज नो बेरिशनेस हियर, देयर इज नथिंग. तो ये सब है ना, न्यूज लेके मत आओ. ओके, इट्स टोटल नॉनसेंस एंड प्लीज डू नॉट शेयर सच थिंग्स, बिकॉज ये आपको समझ नहीं रहेगा, किसी और को समझ नहीं रहेगा. एंड मैक्सिमम 80% ऑफ द पीपल ट्रेडिंग इन मार्केट दे डोंट नो द एक्चुअल टेक्निकल्स. वो आपका न्यूज देख के कल सुबह ही पैनिक करके सब बेच देगा. ओके, ऐसे सब मत करो क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ऑल टाइम हाई पे है, उसका ही हाइप है. ओके, तो वो देख के पीपल विल स्टार्ट सेलिंग. ओके, so don't do such things, it will not be good for anyone. Okay, and if you are really believing such news, चुपचाप अपना पोर्टफोलियो खाली करो, लोगों को मत बोलो. Okay, so this is first thing. Now let's start with the stocks. I'll start with Reliance. Okay, Reliance coming down and taking support now. Okay, so it is also at a new all-time high, and monthly is showing some resistance over this. Okay, so as far as it remains above this, it is okay, no bearishness yet. See, this is a big shooting star. It's a very big shooting star, but look at the volume. It's not even touching the red line. ये time pass volume है. Okay, ये time pass movement है, and it is coming at CIP now.
सर वो फ्रीक ट्रेड की वजह से शूटिंग स्टार आ गया क्या?
हाँ, फ्री ट्रेड की वजह से ही भी आया है. Yes, you are right. क्योंकि ये आपको कैश में नहीं देखने को मिलेगा.
Yes.
And see, this is now looking at here. I think ये cash में, if you see, I don't think so cash में वो free trade हुआ था. So cash में आपको अलग ही दिखेगा. हाँ, see.
उस दिन फ्यूचर्स में कई स्टॉक में हुआ था.
हाँ, TCS, HDFC
Yes,
बैंक. मेरे को तो लगता है कि
HDFC बैंक, HDFC बड़ा HDFC
हाँ,
बैंक,
सब में
ICICI बैंक, TCS, Reliance,
एयरटेल, भारती एयरटेल.
that was
Bharti
known.
Airtel, yeah. So my view is it will go to that price very soon.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये लोग ने किया क्या है विद करंट रेट. ओके, ये करंट रेट पे उन लोग ने वो लॉस बुक किया है, बट दे विल टेक इट. देन दैट लॉस को अभी दिखा दिया गवर्नमेंट को, अभी उसको उधर के ऊपर लेके जाएंगे या वो प्राइस पर तक लेके जाएंगे, एंड देन दे विल स्क्वायर अप अगेन एट दैट प्राइस. सो दिस इज ये सब पूरा टैक्स इवेजन रूल्स है, सब टाइम पास है. This is also looking decently now as a breakout and as this thing. Okay, and look at the RSI. Now it is looking very beautiful. So मेरे हिसाब से Reliance is also looking good. Okay.
सर डेली पे 5 बार डाइवर्जन दिख रहा है, एक बार देखेंगे फ्यूचर पे.
ये नहीं कंसिडर कर सकते ना, ये इधर
नहीं वो नहीं किया.
हाँ, there is a PRD setup.
राइट PRD सेटअप.
There is a PRD setup. Yes, there is a 67 and this is 65. So there is a PRD on this. Okay, so maybe now PRD है ना, ये actually कंदरे या इसका I'm not.
तो थोड़ा डाउन जा सकता है क्या मंडे?
मंडे जा सकता है. लेट्स सी मंडे को क्या होता है. रिलायंस से अगर निफ्टी गिर रहा है तो रिलायंस बचाने को खड़ा रहेगा. Okay, I want to see now entry for PRD actually. Entry for PRD is here. So in a way you can do about 24.15. So 2390 is actually closing price of stock in equity. Okay, let me go back on this. इसका 8 रुपया ऊपर. Okay, so 23, 24. Okay, okay, so we now have a trade on Reliance here.
तुम्हारे यहाँ पावर चला गया. I've just put on the cell phone now.
I think there is an issue. I think मेरे को भी अभी भी मेरा fiber connection तो down ही है इधर. I am using Jio5. But I am having one of it.
सर 5 बार की वजह से डाउन नहीं आ सकता?
सर वो PRD है.
Oh,
PRD is positive reverse divergence.
right.
वही तो मैंने कल पूछा था. That is what I asked कि bearish divergence और PRD में PRD becomes more strong.
Because the markets are uptrended.
Yes.
That is the main reason. यहाँ पे से there can be some fall below 2360. I think it will start falling further, but I am expecting this will be defended. Okay, then that is also your previous all-time high. Okay, so that will should be defended. वहाँ तक एक बार आया तो it is very good sign. In fact, I was talking to someone on Thursday itself that I am expecting कि एक बार वो 37,770 आके फिर करे जो करना है वो. Then it is very strong for even Bank Nifty because my previous all-time high been crossed, and now if I come and touch it, it's a very beautiful, powerful concept of CIP. Okay, and that is what it did yesterday. So I'm really now looking for Bank Nifty to grow to that 38,200 के ऊपर में. I think 39,300 is the target we are seeing. But उसके पहले top bottom में entry दे दे बस. So Reliance is looking good. Let's go to Asian Paint. उसने कल बहुत धंधा किया है, जो भी किया हो. फ्लैट को किल कर दिया actually. So still okay. So we don't see anything. Let's go to 100. Let's go to 100. There are two trades possible here. It's going to 55 and six ऊपर भी buy it. also have a short trade on. See, this is an evening star and just entered back to the band after the band walk of 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth candle almost. Okay, so fifth candle के बाद वो अंदर घुसा है. So this is the fifth candle itself. So now there is a chance it will come down till this. Okay, so there will be some correction in the market. So this is 2620. So we are expecting 90 points further fall in this. Monthly, it is okay. It is showed some correction. So monthly यहाँ तक या तो यहाँ तक same है. एक सुबह लगे जैसे होगा. Sell below कौन है? So sell below. Yeah. Sell for this. Sell. So we have Reliance where we were. Let's see. ये देखो ये भाई साहब ने चालू कर दिया जो एशियन पेंट को चालू करना था. It is also near to this shooting star, but it has gone above it. So now it seems to be good. So double यदि equity में ले सकते हो, but I would not suggest this to be traded on futures. It looks good. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई इसमें. So I think above this is a buy. And target would be 630. So 22 points is more, and maybe then this to this. This is 40 points more. Okay, so it's looking good, Dabur. इसने अभी भी नहीं चालू किया. Shooting star to shooting star. This is also having some corrections. Resisting upper band on monthly. Fall below it. But ये सब है ना मिलेगा नहीं मंडी को क्योंकि ट्रिगर हो जाए ओपन पे ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. See, it's actually a short below this 430, 440. So 44,040 के नीचे शॉर्ट है ये मिलेगा नहीं और फिर तुरंत उसमें यहाँ पे सपोर्ट आ जाएगा. इसके लिए I would avoid to trade something. So ये वापस मंडे भी एक डोजी ऐसे ही बनाना चाहिए. यहाँ पे शूटिंग स्टार्स है बट यहाँ पे उसको फर्स्ट लेवल हुई है तोड़ेगा तो इधर सीधा सपोर्ट है. थोड़ा डाउटफुल हुई है. So let's see, maybe short trade ढूंढना है. Almost looking good for a good shot. See, the reason is it is resisting 60. Okay, second thing is it has got now still steam to come till 25% of retracement and 38%. तो दोनों possible है उसमें. So we shot below 25 for the target of 38. So 13% is a good. So we put the chat right now. Let me on the chat. रिलायंस तो बहुत पुराना कप है उसमें. रिलायंस में कप तो बहुत पुराना है. लुपिन तो गया, ठाकुर तो गया, किधर गया मालूम नहीं. क्या हो क्या? We're still looking for a shot. It should go below this. It should come to जगह नहीं जगह. It will come down for a bullish divergence setup. So we will surely see something like this. ये वीक के बाद आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक में बाइंग आएगा इसका. Oh, this is going to be the savior for this index. See this resisted 40, cross over 40 at first 40 support. So this can be the bullish trend shift. It is resisting on higher time frame. Okay, so जाने दो इसको, दोनों साइड पे है ये. So this short can be below 728, not before it. I think because there is a strong support here. तो ये दूसरा 20 है ना. माँ के नीचे बच्चे को नहीं लेके जा सकते. तो माँ थोड़ा हेल्प करेगा. ये देखो माँ ही हेल्प करेगी उसको अब तक.
Is it M shape?
नहीं ना, एम शेप के लिए नहीं. एम शेप कभी होता है जब ये होता है. इधर है ना. और उसके लिए भी 20 में ब्रीच नहीं होना चाहिए. ये एम के लिए ये आउटसाइड होना चाहिए, ये इनसाइड होना चाहिए. तो सब नीचे ही है, अंदर ही है. कुछ नहीं ये सब चीज. कौन सा अपना डीवीज भूल गया मैं. डीवीज इज आल्सो 20 में सपोर्ट. और कुछ नहीं उसके पास. आरएसआई नीचे 60 है. यहाँ पे there is something. क्या है? 71. So there is no PRD here. Don't trade this. ये भी थोड़ा डाइसियर है. SCIP पे बुलिश काउंटर अटैक है. So pharma, we saw FMCG, IT and auto. I will consider this and this as a PRD. ये फ्री ट्रेड को गिरेंगे ना तो टारगेट क्या हो जाएगा मालूम है? बहुत बड़ा टारगेट हो जाएगा. But right now let's consider it in a very normal sense. 13,787. So it is around 60 points difference, and I will consider इसके ऊपर. So 40,000, 4,050 can be the target if this goes through. Bearish divergence किसने बोला था मेरे को? अच्छा, bearish divergence भी है. Is that gap support? Bearish divergence का it has already happened. इसके नीचे ही था. Target of bearish divergence अभी यार क्या 20 में यहाँ पे इसका. Okay, so bearish divergence. First target is already been there, so we can now trade for the second target if it gives. So, let's see. Let's have this. 7. Okay. So let's have TCS on both the sides again. Next year, 3840, sorry. 3840. Yes. Yeah, private. Look at the Infi. Oh, Infi is also resisting 60 on daily, and also see this resistance of price. So yes, somewhere some retracement possible. Start here also. So even Infi is showing some sign of this thing. HCL Tech, I think वो भी एक नया हाई मारने के बाद थोड़ा वो भी दिखा रहा है. Okay. See the RSI is reached 81 on weekly. यहाँ पे भी ऊपर है. See, there is no bearish divergence or bearish setup yet on monthly. इसके लिए ये सब रिट्रेसमेंट है. जो भी होगा वो रिट्रेसमेंट होगा, वहां से वापस नया मूवमेंट चालू होगा. तो 40-50 रुपये झट से नीचे आएगा, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ये खत्म हो गया. ये रैली अभी भी बाकी है, बिकॉज IT सेक्टर इज आल्सो शोइंग स्ट्रेंथ. Okay, so HCL, Infi, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, oh, PRD, 64, 64. There is a PRD here. Chances, it's really looking good. It's a squeeze. देखो ये squeeze बना रहा है, और ये देखो squeeze बनाने के बाद जब भी जाता है ऊपर मस्त जाता है. So it's looking really good as a squeeze. Might be a good trade actually. Hundred points rally can be expected on Tech Mahindra above the high. See the same setup earlier on weekly. See this. Same consolidation and then the breakout on the upside. Now we have similar setup here on daily. And you can expect this movement. This penny point, I think it is around 100 points. 1600 the target. So buy is above 1500 for a target of 1600. More resistant sub trigger also. I think IT is enough. Let's go to Maruti. कहाँ पे क्या Maruti है? Maruti is at 60 resistance, upper band resistance. Gap है उसको support है price का, so we'll have to see now what it does. It is looking okay to me. 60. It might have some retracement, but not a bigger one. Okay, so it may remain sideways for some time and then start again upside. So this is not that bad. So also zone resistance at 60 upper band and Doji with volume. Sure, here for a target of this. So Bajaj Auto also has got some fall expected. Let's see this bullish engulfing on weekly, and there is setup on daily. So ये पूरा googly है थोड़ा. Avoid this type of trades. Resistance पे है, price resistance को clearly दिखता है. Center line is a price resistance for it. So 38.50. It's a zone actually for it. Here, 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 here. Okay. So does that make sense? Hero also has a single set of doji at upper mode. Head cap resistance and shooting star को पास में again ये रहा. Sure. Sure, maybe bearish divergence because 71 and 70. See, this is a good setup. Okay, short below this. इसके नीचे short है 28,450 के नीचे. Or a target of this. So iShare is also looking little dangerous. Only buy can be above this. Okay, and see it is also at gap resistance. Here also gap here. It's at gap resistance. There is a bearish divergence. Okay, and there is a thing as well. So you might see some fall even in iShare. So somewhere some fall is expected. Let's see. I think Saraf sir, आपका iShare भी था आपके इसमें. So I'm just seeing those stocks wherever you had given to me. iShare motor हाँ वही 2935 के ऊपर ही buy है. It is right. Okay, but there is also a short, so try to look for a short also. Okay. Axis Ashok Vedanta. क्या cash buy but कौन है ये आपको बताया तो. Namaste India, HDFC Global, PRD, Britannia we just saw. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, so you have Britannia, HDFC we will see now. Okay, बाकी सब तो cash तो आप buy कर सकते हो, उसमें कुछ problem नहीं है. This again has got okay. If you're buying in cash, buy about 29.25. It's fine. Okay. Just done with even motor NRF देखना था मुझे actually. तो 20 में था. So लेगा तो इसके ऊपर ही buy it for a target of maybe this and this. What is it doing? Is resisting. So there is a doji on weekly. So again, this also suggests some fault in this level only. ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा. थोड़ा fall ये भी expect कर रहा है actually. So we might see some retracement. I am literally feeling happy because मेरे को नया top चाहिए बस. I don't want anything else. एक नया top बना के दे दो भाई बस हो गया मेरे. Now let's see HDFC Bank. This shows okay. So banking has got a breakout as well. There's a breakout here, and this is on breakout white candle, and also it is trying to cross 60. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, here also it is okay. So banks are looking okay. HDFC Bank is okay. Then comes Axis. It is also fine. So कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, but ये इसको cross करना है इसको 820 पर. So Niranjan should be okay. Axis Bank, I think here's the resource. We are getting neck clear to this again. High below before the breakdown. कोरोना के पहले का हाई को ऑलमोस्ट टच कर रहा है. Now, if it crosses this, it should now give you much more higher. So Bank Nifty has got lot of steam up by the way. Bank Nifty का भी चालू हुआ है. CICI. It's at 60 support. CIB as well. So we'll have to see what it does. This is also looking okay to me. Okay, so even this is looking good to me. I don't think so there is an issue. खाली ये कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा bearish divergence है और gap support है. तो ICICI is okay, but I think Axis and HDFC Bank are looking good. Monthly this looks fantastic. So इसको भी कुछ problem नहीं है ICICI को long term में. Okay, then कोटक कल भागते ही आया था ना ये. अरे बाप रे. So this was the first 60 support black candle. And since then it has just gone up. It was a buy about this. Okay, so it's looking good. This is also looking good. So I think Bank Nifty is really in good shape. अभी सब अच्छा ही जा रहा है. So I am looking this as a good trade again. So Bank Nifty, if you get entry, do take an entry. Don't let it go. Okay. SBI थोड़ा time pass कर रहा है, but I think it is looking good to me. Monthly looks good. इसको क्रॉस किया है उसने. I think people who are holding it in cash should hold it. I'm looking for 600 as a target. So you should look at hold it in cash. Equity में अगर पड़ा है तो 600 तक जाएगा ये. So I think that's it. Any other stock or anything anyone wants to see? I'll just have a look. I think Biocon someone said. Again, Biocon is in news, so छोड़ दो वो सब news. ये देखो 60 resist कर रहा है. If you want to buy only above this. I would not suggest to buy above below this at all. Okay, it's at 60 resistance. There can be a fall also. And see the volume has been done. जो news था वो digest हो चुका है इसमें. So I will not go for something which is news based. Okay, so this does not show me any buying opportunity right now. Simple.
सर एक बार कोलपाल देखेंगे, कोलगेट पामोलिव.
सर वो काफी volatile होता है, इसके लिए मैं वो सब stocks avoid करता हूँ. But this is okay. See, if you want to buy above this. Resisting 60, so short below 1710. And here also it is resisting. This is still, the
1700 short.
हाँ 1710 के नीचे short करो.
Okay, and stop loss 30.
30, yes. And then you can expect it to come to 1695 and below that 1675. So this can be a target.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone, let's meet again. Again, there is Simply Build House training on 25th. So if anybody is interested, do ping. And you all have seen the results, so please share it with your friends and family, right? So that's it. Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you again next week.